Is self-publishing on Amazon KDP worth it? If you're an author who wants to get their work published, self-publishing is a wonderful, often overlooked route to publication. There are many ways that self-publishing differs from traditional publishing, but in today's age, the pros far outweigh the cons. When you choose to self-publish, you have more of a voice in the publication of your book, and with that comes more responsibility. Self-publishing allows you to control the design and marketing of your book, and allows you to represent yourself, rather than going the traditional route of querying agents and publishing houses in order to get them to represent your work. Self-publishing versus traditional publishing. Self-publishing has been becoming increasingly popular over the last decade or so, with more independent authors choosing to go down the DIY path. Self-publishing is a more rigorous process than traditional publishing, but it allows you to have full say in how your book will reach people. Traditional publishing is sometimes not the right choice for people who want to have more control over their book and the product they put forth to readers. The only downside to self-publishing is the work that you have to put into it. With traditional publishing, you do not have to do anything other than query your book, and the publisher takes it into their hands, taking care of the printing, the costs, the marketing, and the design. However, self-publishing is more rewarding in the long term. Why choose self-publishing? Self-publishing has a long list of benefits. When you choose self-publishing, it is up to you to convert your book into a digital format, as well as pay the distribution fees required. Today, self-publishing is becoming more popular for a number of reasons. Most self-published books are first put into ebook format, and ebooks have surged in popularity over the last decade. Ebooks are cheaper. Many people would rather buy an ebook and read it on their Kindle than purchase a physical book that has to be lugged around with them. Selling your book for only a couple dollars rather than the $20 to $30 in hardback is more convenient for people with a busy lifestyle, who only have a short window of time to read each day. Your book remains yours. Every aspect of it, from design to font used to price, you are the lead decision maker. You can market it how you want, choosing creative and individual ways to reach your audience. What is Amazon KDP? For writers who want to get their work published, Amazon has their Kindle Direct Publishing platform. Amazon holds 80% of the ebook market, meaning publishing through Amazon KDP is a way to ensure that your self-published book will have a great chance of reaching a large audience and become part of a growing market. Amazon KDP has amazing features, such as giving self-publishers access to a useful file conversion tool, sales tracking, as well as additional tools that will help you format your book so that it is individual and suits your book perfectly. They also offer Amazon KDP Select, which is a management tool that authors can use once their book is self-published. This allows you to track sales, look at reviews, and take advantage of many other useful features. There are other self-publishing platforms out there that will distribute your work, but it's important to choose one that suits your needs as an author. Createspace and Draft2Digital are two other fantastic options that give you an array of options and allow your book to remain yours. Tutorials and guides for self-publishing. It can be hard to navigate the self-publishing world. There are many routes you can take, and many ways to manage your novel and its publication. Getting started with a training module is one of the best ways to ensure that you will have the knowledge necessary to make the right decisions and head for the best outcomes. A great educational tutorial is the #1 way to get you amped up and excited about your self-publication, as it is an amazing journey with many rewards. DIY publishing can give you a helping hand in learning what you need to know to self-publish. Dale knows the ins and outs of self-publishing, the do's and don'ts, and he is the right choice for any dedicated author looking to see their work out there. The verdict. Today, self-publishing with Amazon KDP is completely worth it. Taking matters into your own hands means you don't have to wait for the whims and desires of a publishing house, or the elusive stroke of luck where your book is chosen out of the thousands upon thousands hoping to be published. Amazon KDP has helped millions of authors around the world grow in their journey as an author. When you choose self-publishing, you are your own boss, and won't have to wait around for an opportunity that may never come. You are instead creating the opportunity.